Oh, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Woo! Want to be neighbors? We need body heat. I'm telling you. Wow. Do I look like tomato head? I'm telling you, it is so cold here in Texas. Nobody would ever thought North Texas would be this cold. I'm Scott with Off-Grid Stoves and More. Welcome back, all of you wonderful Austroflamm individuals out there. How you doing? So today what we are going to talk about is mainly the Rika door. Now you Austroflamm Integra owners out there will be very interested in this because a door is a door when it comes to the Integra or the Rika. What we're going to talk about with the door today is, first off, Julie did a beautiful job on replacing the door seal and the glass gasketing. But the main thing that I want to talk about today is a lot of you, a lot as in, let's just say 6, okay, that has specifically talked about adjusting the door. Now, what do I mean by adjusting the door? A lot of you have seen the door latch video, which we talk about adjusting the latch right here in order to either tighten the door from an old gasket, so the door needs to be sealed, because if you have an old gasket, it might need to be sucked up tight in order for it to be more airtight, okay? Or loosen it if you put a brand new seal like Julie has done here. So what I'll be doing is I will be loosening the latch in order for the door to lock properly. I've talked to a couple of you out there in regards to replacing your door seals, okay? I just put a new door seal video on, which I showed the Integra 1 pre-2006, okay? And turned out great, great video. But I had a customer that wrote and they just said, hey Scott, you know, I have a door, my door is sitting crooked, okay? Now, your firebox floor here, you can see this lip, okay? This lip that sticks out here, that when you shut the door, that lip pushes against your gasketing. Now, if your door is not adjusted properly, and let's just say that it's dropping down, what's going to happen is, if the door is not level, this edge of the firebox floor will not sit in the center of the gasket. If it's crooked, it'll actually, well, like this customer, he said, my door is hitting this edge. And I said, well, that's going to pretty much stop your door from being sealable, no matter if you got a new gasket or if you tighten the door latch, okay? So it's very important that the door here is running level, and that this edge, this firebox edge, pushes. If you close your door like so, and you look inside where the door gasket hits the firebox floor, this edge should be right in the center of the gasket. So what the gentleman that I was talking to, what was happening is this edge was hitting the bottom of the door below the brand new gasket, and it wasn't closing. And he saw the video on the latch adjustment, and he couldn't get it to seal properly. So he wrote me and he said, what else can I do? This is why we're making the video. Okay, for you out there that have always wondered if it was possible to adjust your door, It's as easy as this. Loosen up these inside nuts, okay? And I highly suggest that you have an extra set of hands. So get Mama in there. Get her hands dirty. Careful saying that. Jill was back there and said, you better delete that. You want to loosen up these interior nuts, okay? While Mama holds the door. The last thing that you want is to loosen these nuts up too much to where the bracket is going to slip out and the door is going to crash, and then it's going to become a very expensive repair. So once it's loose, adjust these outside nuts and continuously just check it to where you close the door, and make sure you keep looking inside to show that the door is hitting right in the center of the gasket, okay? That way, you know your gasket's doing its job, you don't have any air leak problems, and the only air that's going to be entering the stove is through the air wash, okay? And you guys have probably seen that video too. If you're a newbie and you just acquired your stove, I pretty much have every video out there. So if you grab yourself some popcorn, grab yourself a bottle of wine, or grab yourself some grape juice or some soda or whatever, have a little binge night, okay? Obviously, you're probably not going to watch too many because you can only put up with this ugly mug for so many videos. I get it. But if you go through the videos, you will see the different headings for the videos, and it might spark some interest as to what you're going to want to watch. If you need a real Austroflamm door kit, austroflammparts.com. You guys stay safe out there. Happy burning. Peace.